Hi.
Hello.
Hi, girls. How are you?
Good. You? Hello. How are you?
Oh, okay. I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah, can you play some for us?
Yeah, for sure. I can give you one song, guys. Actually,
Uh,
what do you want to say?
What?
What do you want to say?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Where are you from?
Sweden.
Sweden. Wow.
Sweden.
Okay, nice. Well, I'm from Indonesia.
And you?
Indonesia.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to hear something
Nice.
from me? Okay.
Yes.
Alright, here we go. I lost my way. I try to reach you away. Go away. So drunk, all alone, to pretend that you were gone. You were gone. We were so tragic, but it was magic. I wish I could forget you, and I found someone new. But it's not easy for me. It's always you at the bottom of my whiskey bottle, over and over again. We were so tragic, but it was magic. Wow, thank you. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Can you up your camera? Because I don't really see your face, guys. Your camera. Yeah, like that. Wow. You guys are pretty, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You
you're
too.
welcome. Yeah, what is your name?
My name is Lilia.
Yulia?
Yeah, Isabella.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You are guys have a pretty name. Like you.
You too.
Oh, thank you. And well, I am from Indonesia, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you ever hear Indonesia about
Never.
Indonesian person?
No, I haven't.
Not really. Oh, okay. No problem. No, sorry. Oh, do you ever meet Indonesian person on Ome TV?
I think so.
Oh,
Maybe.
okay. Yeah, guys. Actually, now I am recording this video for my YouTube channel. I make a video.
What?
Yeah, creating content, And so, I think you're guys in my video. Is that okay? No problem.
Yes.
Oh.
Can you say what your
YouTube channel.
Okay, wait. I
What
will
is
give
the-
you
and
guys.
the,
What?
On message board, you can see? On message board.
oh,
Yeah.
Wait.
Nabil,
Nabila Taqiyyah. Nabila Taqiyyah.
holy fucking shit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
You
you're
have-
welcome. And thank you so much, guys, for your... sorry, can you repeat? Oh, yeah, that's mine. Thank you. Thank you for the
Subscribing.
subscribe. Thank you so much. Wow.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you so much for having
Yeah,
me.
we haven't.
Yeah, thank you,
We
guys.
have.
Bye-bye. Hi. Hi guys. How are you? Oh, Sweden. Wow, nice country. Hi guys. Okay. Well, I am from Indonesia.
Where you come from?
Indonesia. Yeah. Wow. What are you guys doing right now?
Huh?
What are you guys doing right now? Make something. What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, no problem.
Sing?
Yeah, sure. I want to sing for you. Do you want to hear me to sing for you guys?
Yo. Yes.
Oh, yo. Okay, let's go.
Yo.
Yo.
Fire got me, hold me like that. Every time you see me, fire always making me laugh. It's very catchy feelings. I love you from the start, so it breaks my heart when you say I'm just a friend to you. 'Cause when I do the things we do, everybody knows you love me too. Tryna be careful with the word I use. I say 'cause I'm trying to. I'm so much more than just friend to you.
Okay.
So good. So good.
Oh, so good. Thank you guys. Oh, do you ever hear this song? Ever hear this song? Maybe. It's from. Oh, okay. No, never mind. Never mind. By the way, what is your name?
My name is Emma.
Emma and
Is
sorry,
Ellie.
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 Ellie. Okay. Wow, you guys have a pretty name. Well,
Thanks.
okay. Well, my name is Nabila.
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 Yeah.
That's good.
Thank you. How old are you? Well, how old are you guys? Can I guess your age, maybe?
Yeah.
I think you're 10 years old. 15? Oh, you 10. And what about what about her?
He's 10.
Okay. You're 10?
I'm not 10.
Okay.
I'm 10.
She's
11.
11. Wow. You're very younger, guys. Okay. I'm 16. I'm 16.
Can you sing?
Again?
Can you sing? Again.
Again? This song? Do you have any request maybe? What do you want to sing? What do you want to hear?
I don't know.
You tell.
Think something good.
I will try. Do you know Olivia Rodrigo? Olivia. Trader. You know Trader? You betrayed me, and I know that you never feel sorry. You know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. I will try this song for you.
Yeah.
Brown witchy eyes and little white light shade. I played dumb but I always knew. You talk far to her, maybe it's even worse. I keep quiet so I could keep you. Ain't it funny how you run her the second that we like it. Come on. You betrayed me. Come on. And out of it you never feel sorry for the way you talk to her when we were together. A few at your words, but that didn't matter. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much.
You sound so good.
Oh, thank you. And I hope I can be your met your day. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Guys, thank you so much for today. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, see you.
You talk this svenska. Do you talk Swedish?
Sorry?
Swedish.
Oh, no. Well, I'm from Indonesia.
Okay.
Okay?
Come on. Okay. But play a song for us.
Okay,
Okay.
sing. Come on.
Okay, here we go. Go on and ask me how I feel thinking about you every night, just to be mine. Now that I got you, breathe me in and August, so